Hi everyone, I am Hemant Kumar and I am here to say about the workshop of today's happening in our film logic. So this is the about to learn on FEA of most useful and valuable of machines in our generations, and FEA is the most important thing where used in the machine for element size and the analysis of the making material stress and strain and material strength and toughness, and the important role was played in the machine is FEA. In FEA has different types of analysis: linear, non-linear, dynamic, and fatigue, CFT, thermal analysis. So these are the uses used in the analysis for machine, and FEA is used the most in this machine. FEA is an finite element analysis, and it is to check the element size and its quality and more of it. FEA is the most thing. It was of element size, and it is an of checking of an surface of an element, solids or hexa, tetra, or different types and elements. There are three types was of elements in 1D, 2D, and 3D. In 1D there are automation. 2D there are automation. 3D there are tetra, hexa, and in 2D there is a ruler, spline, and as well as automation, and it is to measure the different types of surfaces of different manufacturing materials of cars and vehicles which are made in the companies of manufacturing. We want to checking of the stress and strain of it, and the most thing of material is stress and strain. And it is yield strength and plastic, elastic, and fracture, ultimate fracture. And this is the most thing. It will be taken in the material. Thank you.